place. That tension is still there. And if I do more, he can't take it. He's going to go dramatic, either let go or fight harder. But this, can you see? It's only there. Now here, not enough. So I go tippy-toe and kick my heel right now. So it's a gear. Gear means if you have 3 teeth, the first one can only go 1/3. Second one will go 1/3. Third one, 1/3. So if you have 9 teeth, each move is only 1/9. Our problem is most of your moves are in slack. It means you have not engaged. And then when you feel engagement, you do too much. When you disengage and engage too much, those are things outside of the circle. Circle means even distribution.